Good morning, dear students. Welcome to all of you in online classes of Bal Sadhana Senior Secondary School, Toddi, Buddhagodji. And today we will read about the exercise 2.1. Let's start the question number 4. Prove that cos inverse 63 by 65 plus 2 tan inverse 1 upon 5 is equal to sin inverse 3 upon 5. Left side is equal to cos inverse 63 by 65 plus 2 tan inverse 1 upon 5. First term cos and second term tan. Apply the formula 2 tan inverse x, because 2 tan inverse x is equal to term of cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. Apply the formula 2 tan inverse x is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. It means x is equal to 1 upon 5 is equal to cos inverse 63 upon 65 plus cos inverse 1 minus x square. X is equal to 1 upon 5. 1 upon 5 whole square 1 upon 25 by 1 plus 1 upon 25. 1 by 1, 1 by 1. LCM 25 is equal to cos inverse 63 upon 65 plus cos inverse 25 minus 1 upon 25 plus 1. LCM cancel out is equal to cos inverse 63 upon 65 plus cos inverse 25 minus 1 24. 25 plus 1 26. It means 12 by 13. Okay. Again apply the formula cos inverse x plus cos inverse y. Cos inverse x plus cos inverse y. First second term cos inverse x plus cos inverse y is equal to cos inverse xy minus root 1 minus x square into root 1 minus y square. Okay, is equal to cos inverse x into y 63 by 65 into 12 by 13 minus root 1 minus x square. X is equal to 63 by 65. 63 whole square by 65 whole square into 1 minus y square. Y square 12 square, it means 144 by 169. Solve the equation is equal to cos inverse 63 into 12 minus 2 into 8 into 5 by 65 into 30 is equal to cos inverse 676 by 65 into 13 is equal to cos inverse 4 by 5. Left side. Right side sin inverse 3 upon 5. Cos inverse 4 upon 5. Because cos inverse x is equal to sin inverse root 1 minus x square. Apply the formula is equal to sin inverse 1 minus x 4 upon 5, it means 16 by 25 is equal to sine inverse 25 minus 16 by 25 is equal to sine inverse 3 upon 5. Hence LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Okay. Next question. Question number 5. Prove that sec square tan inverse 2 plus cosec square cot inverse 3 is equal to 15. Left is equal to sec square tan inverse 2 plus cosec square cot inverse 3. Let tan inverse 2 is equal to theta implies 2 equal to tan theta. Again cot inverse 3 is equal to phi implies 3 is equal to cot phi. Putting the value of tan inverse is equal to theta, cot inverse 3 is equal to theta implies sec square tan inverse 2 is equal to theta plus cosec square cot inverse 3 is equal to 5 cosec square 5. Sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta plus cosec square phi is equal to 1 plus cot square phi. Sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square phi. Cosec square phi is equal to 1 plus cot square phi. Okay, is equal to tan theta equal to 2 up to 2 की होल स्क्वायर प्लस 1 cot phi is equal to 3 की होल स्क्वायर is equal to 15. Hence LHS is equal to RHS. Next question. Question number 6. 2 tan inverse x is equal to sine inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. Prove that 2 tan inverse x sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. Left side, middle and right side. Let first term 2 tan inverse x is equal to sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. First step. Let tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse x is equal to theta implies x is equal to tan theta. Okay. Now 2 tan inverse x is equal to sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. Left side, right side. RHS is equal to sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. Tan inverse x equal to theta, x equal to tan theta. Putting the value of x is equal to tan theta. Sin inverse 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 2 tan theta formula. साइन इनवर्स इज इक्वल टू साइन 2 थीटा. Sine inverse of sin x, because sine inverse of sin x is equal to x. X is equal to 2 theta. It means 2 theta is equal to theta is equal to tan inverse x, यानी 2 tan inverse x. Right side is equal to left side. RHS is equals to LHS. Hence second step, two tan inverse is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square 1 plus x square. Right side RHS is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. X is equal to tan theta. Cos inverse 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta is equal to cos 2 theta. Cos inverse और cos 2 theta. Cos inverse और cos x is equal to x. Theta is equal to tan inverse x. It means 2 tan inverse x. Hence RHS is equal to LHS. Okay. Next question. Question number 7. Tan inverse. Prove that tan inverse AX upon में BC. Prove that left is equal to right pi, where a plus b plus c is equal to x. Left side LHS is equal to tan inverse root a root x by root b root c plus tan inverse root b root x by root c root a plus tan inverse root c root x by root a into root a b. Apply the formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y plus tan inverse z. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y plus tan inverse z is equal to tan inverse x plus y plus z minus x y z upon में 1 minus xy minus yz minus zx is equal to tan inverse x plus y x root a root x by root b root c plus root b root x root a c root a plus root c root x by root a root b माइनस में root a root x by root b root c into root b root x by root c into root a into root c root x by root a into root b अपॉन में 1 minus xy 1 minus x अपॉन में 1 minus x into y x into y minus y into z minus z into x रूट बी कैंसिल रूट ए कैंसिल रूट सी रूट बी रूट सी ओके एलसीएम डिनोमिनेटर में रूट ए बी सी, Z इज इक्वल टू tan इनवर्स रूट ए रूट बी रूट सी। रूट ए रूट बी इंटू रूट सी डिवाइडेड रूट ए रूट बी रूट सी कैंसिल आउट। इट मीन्स रूट ए मल्टीप्लाई रूट ए इंटू रूट एक्स, दैट इज ए रूट एक्स प्लस रूट सी रूट ए डिवाइडेड रूट ए रूट बी एंड इंटू रूट ए कैंसिल आउट, रूट सी इंटू रूट ए कैंसिल आउट एंड रूट बी मल्टीप्लाई रूट बी इंटू रूट सी, इट मीन्स बी रूट एक्स। सिमिलरली प्लस सी रूट एक्स माइनस ए रूट ए। Similarly, root A cancel, root B cancel, root C cancel, root A, root B, root C divided root A, root B, root C cancel out. It means 1 multiply root x is equal to x root x upon में 1 minus root x x upon में रूट सी माइनस रूट एक्स x अपॉन रूट ए माइनस रूट एक्स x अपॉन रूट बी बी। इज इक्वल टू tan इनवर्स रूट एक्स कॉमन इंटू ए प्लस बी प्लस सी माइनस एक्स अपॉन में रूट ए बी सी इंटू 1 माइनस एक्स अपॉन सी माइनस एक्स अपॉन ए माइनस एक्स अपॉन ए बी इज इक्वल टू अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन a plus b plus c is equal to x. It means tan inverse root x into x minus x upon में root a b c into 1 minus x upon c minus x upon a minus x upon a b is equal to x minus x 0 by something 0. It means tan inverse 0 is equal to tan inverse 0 tan n pi tan inverse or tan x is equal to x, it means pi, hence left is equal to right. Okay, next question number 8. Prove that 1 by 2 tan inverse x is equal to cos inverse 1 plus x square का रूट by 2 रूट 1 plus x square का रूट 1 by 2. राइट साइड RHS is equal to cos inverse 1 plus x square by 2 root 1 plus x square power 1 by 2. Let x is equal to tan theta implies theta is equal to tan inverse x. Putting the value of x is equal to tan theta, cos inverse over 1 plus tan square theta root by 2 root 1 plus tan square theta power 1 by 2. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta root square से root cancel out. It means cos inverse 1 plus sec theta by 2 sec theta power 1 by 2. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta रूट से स्क्वायर कैंसिल आउट सेक थीटा इज इक्वल टू कोस इनवर्स ओवर 1 प्लस सेक थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन कोस थीटा अपॉन में 2 बाई कोस थीटा पावर 1/2 एलसीएम कोस थीटा इट मीन्स कोस इनवर्स ओवर 1 प्लस कोस थीटा बाई 2 पावर 1/2 एलसीएम कोस थीटा कैंसिल 1 प्लस कोस थीटा बाई 2 because 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. So right is equal to cos inverse 2 cos square theta by 2 by 2 power half. 2 cancel out. Cos inverse cos square theta by 2 power 1/2 2 cancel out. It means cos inverse over cos theta by 2 is equal to cos inverse of cos x is equal to x theta by 2. So, because cos inverse of cos x is equal to x, theta is equal to tan inverse x. Putting the value of theta, it means 1/2 tan inverse x is equal to left side. RHS is equal to LHS. Okay. If you have any doubt, then write your doubt in comment box, and remaining part of this chapter we will discuss in next video. Thank you.